Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new and last of the year Lookfantastic box, and I'm kind of worried because this box feels particularly light, and usually it's not really a good sign. Oh, by the way, I know I sound different. I have a cold, unfortunately, no corona. Just a cold. I've been freaking tested 3 times already. I don't have corona, but I do have a very bad cold. Like, the cold is still active, guys. Okay, so sparkle this festive season and have a very Merry Christmas. With love from Team Beauty Box. Team Beauty Box? Oh, yeah, Team Beauty Box. Okay. I just now realized, again, I'm wearing a very wrong shirt for showing you guys stuff. Hey, we have a booklet again. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, so 'tis the season to be beautiful. I agree. Let's see if the prices of the items are mentioned, just to know if the book is useless or not to me. You gotta be kidding me. Still not the prices. Damn it. I'm so upset about that. Why is it so freaking hard to put a price? Oh God, no. Okay guys, this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so on the inside, first thing I see is from Glove, and I'm actually not going to get this off. I'm not going to keep it either. I'm going to pass this along to someone else. This is the satin sleep-in mask. Sleep like a queen and wake up as a goddess. This is what it looks like, but you know what? I'm not going to use it. I don't know the worth of these items. So what I'm going to do with this little fella, satin is always good to sleep on, actually. Like, these satin pillowcases are very good for your skin as well. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway, and speaking about giveaways, guys, make sure to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a satchel that is filled with makeup, and immediately afterwards a new giveaway will start, and I have something so freaking cool planned for that giveaway, so make sure to check out my video. Okay, let's move on to a little something in bubble wrap that's kind of already wanting to get out. This is from Lottie London. It's the Ombre Blush in the color Haze. Pretty cool. I'm definitely going to keep this one. Oh yeah, I see why it's called an Ombre Blush. See? It goes from bright to light. Very, very cool. Definitely going to keep this one for myself. Moving on to Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. We already have this little fella. I remember that in just like a different box, but I know we already received it, and I have used it especially for travel purposes because it's so freaking small. So that is great. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. It's okay. Moving on to something. Hollywood browser. What? Includes 1 browser and 1 protective pouch. Removes hair and exfoliates. Hair removal and dermaplaning tool. Huh. Okay, that is pretty cool. So this is the little thing it comes in. And now I think it's like kind of a razor thing. Let me just get it out of there. Ugh, it's not getting out. Why is it not getting out? Dang it, me and boxes, I swear. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. Now let's, oh yeah, see? It's your kind of like a face razor, if you will. It makes sure to get those hairs off. I'm kind of scraping, but I'm wearing makeup, so it's not really smart to scrape right now. I am definitely going to have fun with this. I actually use one on batteries, so I just place it on my skin and then go up or down, depending on what I want to shave off, because shaving off your face really does work, especially when you want your makeup to sit well and not like those hairs that you have on your face, like those teeny soft hairs. You don't want it to get caked up in your foundation and stuff, so I actually do use that. That is really, really cool. I'm keeping that one. Okay, moving on to the Star Skin VIP, the gold mask for your eye. It's a revitalizing luxury gold foil eye mask. This is what that looks like. I'm very happy with an eye mask because honestly, I have used up all of mine. Like we've had holidays over here and like mine are done. So I definitely am in need of new ones. Okay, now that is it. The last item in the box is Spotlight highlighter pencil. Oh, okay, so it's a highlighter pencil. It wasn't sealed. I'm not going to touch it because I will be putting this in another giveaway as well. So I'm not going to swatch it, you guys. This is, oh, sorry, holding it upside down. So this is what it looks like, but I'm going to place this in a giveaway. So guys, that is it. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Very cool. It's one item more than usual. 2 items I'm going to give away and the rest I'm going to keep. It's definitely an okay and a solid box. However, I will say for Christmas edition, I don't really think we went out with a bang, especially with the satin hair, no, not the hair thing, the eye mask thing of glove. I don't know. That could have just been thrown in, just in my personal opinion. I would have thrown that in as an extra and not as an actual item. But hey, who am I to decide? Okay guys, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? Don't forget to enter my giveaway and I will see you guys in my next unboxing video. Bye!